If you are a CMS employee and have a CMS Zoom account, you can use it on QualityNet Slack to start or schedule a Zoom meeting. And even if you don't have a CMS Zoom account, you can still join a scheduled Zoom meeting on Slack. Slack. It's a snap. Why use the Zoom integration on Slack? Convenience. Now you can start and schedule Zoom meetings from any Slack channel, private group, or direct message using the /Zoom command. Click on the phone icon and select Zoom for Government. First-time users will receive a Slack message asking you to authorize Slack to access your CMS Zoom. Let your channel know about the call you've scheduled and tag the members you want to attend. When you start your Zoom call in the channel, you can always tag the attendees to remind them to join. To schedule your Zoom call, go to My Account, then click on Schedule a Meeting. Fill in the details of your meeting, save it, then copy your invitation link. Now paste it into your channel. To start a meeting instantly, click on Host a Meeting, then click on the prompt to open Zoom Meetings. That's it. Using Zoom on CCSQ QualityNet Slack is a snap. If you would like to submit a request for another app integration, reach out through the #HelpSlack channel or creating a ticket in the Q and Ask Jira project. See? Told you it was a snap.